Okay, again, I want to show that this bike won't start unless it's got either an auto choke or a spritz of engine starter fluid. So here we go. Okay. Just a spritz of starter fluid. I got this little bitty hole I drilled right here. Just gonna shoot just a drop in there. Cleaner. Nothing that's gonna catch dirt. Little bitty hole just so you can put the straw in one shot.